Long-haul examination recommends that Chiliz cost might actually flood to $138.80 by 2050 in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of 1 CHZ would generally reach as high as $29.25 by 2025, which generally is very critical. Chiliz cost gauge recommends a chance of CHZ exchanging between $157 to $187 in 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. There in every way that really matters is extremely potential for Chiliz cost to encounter a critical flood coming to as genuinely high as $152 toward 2040 in an unobtrusive manner's end. Ongoing information shows Chiliz for the most part is exchanging at $1.276. Starting around 25 February 2024, Chiliz in a real sense is exchanging at $1.276 in terms of its EST rate with a value change of 34% in essentially most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ by and large has an all-out market cap of $134.58.5 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $56.315.104 in an especially huge manner. This in every way that really matters makes Chiliz CHZ fundamentally positioning at 69 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2024, what will Chiliz essentially be genuinely worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is Chiliz an in every practical sense wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2024 in an essentially large manner? Will CHZ cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed high? These truly are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, or so they in a real sense thought. Chiliz CHZ value expectation 2024 as per the Chiliz estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the CHZ cost by and large is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a kind of normal value level of $1.712, the normal genuinely least value worth of Chiliz toward the finish of the especially current year ought to generally be 0.662. Besides, CHZ can arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $1.25, which really is very huge. Chiliz CHZ value expectation February 2024. Concerning February 2024, Chiliz cost in a real sense is conjectured to especially arrive at a practically the most minimal cost of $0.88, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The CHZ cost could for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.336 with the typical expected cost around $0.99, showing that Chiliz CHZ value expectation 2024 is per the Chiliz gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the CHZ value sort of is supposed to in a real sense cross a by and large normal value level of $1.712. The normal certainly least value worth of Chiliz toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to basically be $0.662, or so they sort of thought. Chiliz value figure walk 2024 the especially normal cost of Chiliz CHZ could for the most part go to $1.351 toward the finish of walk 2024 in an exceptionally enormous manner. CHZ could be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.141 with the in every way that really matters least expected cost of $0.301, which is genuinely critical. Chiliz value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the essentially most extreme cost for Chiliz could explicitly stretch around $1.455, which is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of CHZ in April 2024 really is $0.2328 with a typical cost of $0.2378. Chiliz CHZ value expectation. May 2024. With respect to May 2024, Chiliz cost generally is gauged to truly arrive at a sort of the most reduced cost of $0.1356, or so they by and large thought. The CHZ cost could truly arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.15024 with the really normal expected cost around $0.2405 truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Chiliz value expectation June 2024. Chiliz cost in a real sense is supposed to explicitly reach between $1.372 to $1.594 in June 2024, while the typical cost of CHZ for the June in every way that really matters stays around $1.434. Chiliz CHZ value expectation July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Chiliz cost generally is estimate to essentially arrive at a sort of the most minimal cost of $1.415, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The CHZ cost could truly arrive at a of most extreme cost of $1.666 with a truly normal expected cost around $1.477, which really is genuinely huge. Chilliz value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the exceptionally most extreme cost for Chilliz could truly stretch around $740. Moreover, the minimum cost of CHC in August 2024 explicitly is $1.471 with a very normal cost of $0.25 or 21, which really is genuinely critical. Chilliz value conjecture September 2024. The genuinely normal cost of Chilliz CHC could especially go to $1.2566 toward the finish of September 2024, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how CHZ could explicitly be exchanging around a sort of most extreme worth of $0.41 with the buy and large least expected cost of $0.2301 in an unpretentious manner. CHZ could, in every practical sense, be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of $0.1801 with the in every practical sense, least expected cost of $0.1505, sort of additional appearance how in the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Chilliz cost forecast finish of 2024. What will Chilliz for the most part be truly worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Chilliz value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Chilliz explicitly is supposed to basically be at around for the most part least of $0.25 and 52, or so they basically thought. Chilliz cost can truly arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.879 with a very normal cost of $0.26 to 13 in a truly significant way. Chilliz CHZ value expectation November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Chilliz cost certainly is conjectured to truly arrive at a most reduced cost of $0.2596, showing how Chilliz value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the by and large greatest cost for Chilliz could explicitly stretch around $740 in a kind of huge manner. The CHZ cost could essentially arrive at a very most extreme cost of $60 with a typical expected cost around $0.646, which is genuinely critical. Chilliz CHZ value expectation December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Chilliz cost is figured to truly arrive at a flat-out least cost of $1.662 in an unpretentious manner. The CHZ cost could by and large arrive at a most extreme cost of $25 with the very normal expected cost around $712, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chilliz fundamentally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Chilliz's cost basically has shown an essentially decent increment of 303% in the very most recent 24 hours, or so they generally thought. From certainly most recent 7 days, the CHZ for the most part was in genuinely